Morning everybody, welcome to Mr. On Class. Today we're going to talk about body system. So what are things you need to know for body system? First, you have to identify the organ system in human. We have digestive, respiratory, circulatory, skeletal and muscular system. Next, we have to identify the organs in the human digestive system and describe their functions. So the five body systems are digestive, respiratory, circulatory, skeletal, and muscular system. Of course, there are other systems such as nervous system, immune system, and urinary system. Okay, let's talk about digestive system. You must have mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. All of these are involved in the digestive system. So what's the function of the mouth? It breaks food into smaller pieces. There's saliva inside the mouth which contains enzymes that break down food further. Therefore, the digestion starts in the mouth. After you have finished chewing your food, it goes to your gullet, which is over here, as you can see on the diagram. You transport food down to the stomach. So once the food are in the stomach, the digestion will take place. There are also gastric juice and enzymes which break down food into simpler substances. Once the food have passed the stomach, it will go into the small intestine. And small intestine is the place where it absorbs nutrients into our body, and nutrients is transported by the circulatory system to all parts of our body. Once all the nutrients have been absorbed by the small intestine, the food will be channeled to large intestine. Large intestine will absorb water from the indigested food, and the water is passed to the circulatory system. Rectum. Once all the water have been absorbed, the undigested food will be accumulated and stored over at the rectum, called feces. Finally, the feces will be passed out from the anus out of our body. Okay, let's talk about respiratory system. You have your nose, your mouth. So what is their function? It allows air to enter or leave the body. Air entering the body has higher content of oxygen than the air leaving the body because our body needs oxygen to function. Air leaving the body has high content of carbon dioxide than air entering the body. So what if the air enters through your nose? It goes through a tube called a windpipe, or you call it trachea. It connects the mouth or the nose to the trachea. Then after that, it will go to our lungs. Our lungs will absorb oxygen from the air to our circulatory system. Carbon dioxide is passed from the circulatory system back to the lungs, and we can exhale the air out from both our nose and mouth. Let's go to the next system, which is the circulatory system. You need to know that our heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. The blood rich in carbon dioxide is pumped to the lungs, where it is exchanged for oxygen. Blood rich in oxygen is pumped to all parts of our body, and blood that returns to the heart from the body is rich in carbon dioxide. So blood actually transports oxygen and nutrients to all parts of our body. as well as you transport carbon dioxide and other waste materials. Blood vessels is like a tube that connects all parts of our body to our heart. It also allows blood to flow from one place to the other. We do have skeletal system. It makes sure we have our body shape and protects our vital organ, such as our brain, our heart, or lungs. We do have our muscular system as well, because muscular system allow us to move around, to run, and to jump. So how does it work? Okay, first of all, our muscle work by contracting and relaxing. As you can see from this diagram, one of the muscle will contract and the other muscle will relax. Okay, it is like a working hand in hand, or they work in pairs. Okay, so these are the few links which if you're interested, you can go ahead and take a look at the video. They do show you how digestion and respiratory system work. I've come to the end of this video. If you do have any questions, feel free to approach me to clarify, as well as I hope that this video has benefited you one way or another. If you still have doubts, feel free to rewind back and take a look at the front portion of the content and raise any questions if you have in class. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.